Let's go. I'm writing the theorem now. If you want, like, not want, you have to note it down also. Okay. Theorem is if a line parallel to left, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, two intersect means which intersect. Okay, two intersect means that line is intersecting to intersect the other two sides in distinct points. Then the other two sides are divided. Distinct means different point in the same ratio. So yeah, let's prove it. We are having a triangle. We are having a triangle. Let's say it is ABC. We are having a line which is parallel to BC. DE is a line which is parallel to BC. Okay, we have to prove that AD by BE is equals to AE by EC. Okay, first we will be doing the construction which will support our proof. Joining E. Let's join and D and C also, and D and otherwise it can create confusion. Let's try joining D and also join the vertex C and D. Okay. Apart from that, we'll be dropping the perpendicular from the vertex B on AE. Okay, and altitude we are drawing over here. Let's call it DM. Yesterday also M we have taken, right? Yes. Okay. So we'll be writing BM is perpendicular to AE. From E also we are going to drop a perpendicular on AD. That means EN is perpendicular on A. This much construction carefully we'll be doing. This part you have to keep in mind. Yes, you have to memorize this part at least, and the remaining proof it will guide you. Okay. Now you'll be able to do the remaining proof by yourself. Let's do it. First we want to, just a second. First we want to focus on this numerator AD, and we want to find the area of such a triangle. Okay, where AD must be there. Okay, area formula we'll be using where AD must be there. So we will be taking area of triangle ADE. Let's write it. For finding the area, for writing ARE, we can also write this area of triangle ADE as area. AR is representing area, triangle AD. So in short form, if I am writing AR and in bracket ADE, that means we are talking about area of triangle AD. Okay, this way also we write in mathematics. AR means it is representing, and inside the bracket if triangle is there, so it is representing the area of the triangle. Okay. Similarly, AR you can use for area of any other shapes also. So let's use it. Area of triangle ADE we are finding 1 by 2 directly. I'm not writing the base into height. Directly we can take it. The base is AD and the height is EN. Is it EN? Everyone getting it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, now in the denominator BD is there, so we will be picking a triangle where BD side must be there. So triangle, which triangle? Is it
We can
BDE?
take VDE.
Yes. Again, 1 by 2 into base. Base we are going to take as a BD into height. Height we will be taking again as a EN because height can lie outside the triangle. This is equation number 2. Okay. Similarly, equation 3 and equation 4 also will be writing, focusing on our proof AE. So we are going to choose such a triangle where AE must be there. Again, triangle ADE will be there. Triangle ADE, and this time we'll be finding by taking different base and different height. So we are going to take the base as a AE and the height is BN. This is the area. Equation number 3, and area of triangle, such a triangle where EC must be there, which is there in our proof. So EC, which triangle? Tell me, please tell me, anyone. कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेंगे जिसमें EC साइड को यूज कर पाएंगे? Yes, please tell me.
We can take CDE.
CDE. We'll be taking triangle CDE and we'll be writing the same 1 by 2 into base. बेस हमें EC लेना ही है क्योंकि यहाँ EC रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है हमारे प्रूफ में. एंड हाइट फिर से हम हाइट लेंगे DM को, जो EC को एक्सटेंड करने पे ये हाइट इस साइड पे ड्रॉप हो पा रहा है. DM will be the height. It can lie outside the triangle. This way we are getting 4 equations. Now since in our proof ratio is there, we'll be finding the ratio of equation 1 and equation 2. So 1 divided by 2 will give us area of triangle ADE over area of triangle BDE, and that is, you want you can write it like 1 by 2 into AD into EN 1 by 2. See this 2 we are going to do the division. So can you see 1 by 2 gone, EN gone?
Can
We are just left
directly
with
simplify and then We write AB by B.
Yes, we will directly simplify and we will write AD by BD. Okay. Similarly, here we are going to divide 3 and 4 because that's how we are having the proof part. So we'll be writing area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE, and directly we'll be writing C DM DM gone 1 by 2 gone, and we are just left with AE by EC. अब हम कैसे भी करके ये शो करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि हमारा ये जो इक्वेशन 5 है और ये जो इक्वेशन 6 है ये दोनों सेम ही, ओके, इन दोनों का जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पार्ट है ये इक्वल है. सो वी कैन से वी एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, ये जो न्यूमरेटर तो ऑलरेडी सेम है ए डी ए, ओके, डेनोमिनेटर भी हम लिखने जा रहे हैं कि यस इट विल बी सेम. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल विल बी must be equals to area of triangle CDE. Okay, areas of area of triangles. क्यों ये सेम है? एक्सप्लेनेशन जस्ट एक स्टेटमेंट हम देंगे. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स having seen this line in between parallel lines are same. ऐसे दो ट्राइंगल जो दो पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में लाई कर है जिसका बेस सेम है, दोनों का एरिया भी सेम ही होगा. हेंस फ्रॉम 5 and 6 हमारा ये रेशियो पहले हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल बाई एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BD, ये दूसरे रेशियो के लेफ्ट साइड के इक्वल है. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AD बाई एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CDA, क्योंकि दोनों का न्यूमरेटर तो ऑलरेडी सेम है और अभी अभी हमने एक स्टेटमेंट किया जो कि जस्टिफाई कर रहा है कि हमारा डिनोमिनेटर भी सेम है. अगर ये दोनों सेम है तो हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि अगर लेफ्ट साइड दोनों दोनों इक्वेशंस के इक्वल है तो राइट साइड भी इक्वल ही होगा. And hence proved. Is it crystal clear to all of you? Is it crystal clear? Any confusion?
Yes,
Now let's solve few questions from the exercise which will be based on this theorem. What will be the application of this theorem? Let's solve few questions. Okay. See, converse of this theorem is also true कि अगर हमारे पास एक ऐसा लाइन है ट्रायंगल में, अगर हमारे पास एक ट्रायंगल है और उसमें एक ऐसा रैंडम लाइन है जो let's say it's PQR and this is MN, जो the साइड PQ and PR को सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है. अगर एक लाइन MN है जो कुछ ऐसा रेशियो जनरेट कर दे रहा है तो ये जो लाइन MN है दिस मस्ट बी पैरेलल टू QR. ये हम प्रूफ करेंगे. Okay, but at first let's see the application of the first theorem. Okay, this is basic proportionality theorem. We will be discussing the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, that if we are having a triangle and in that triangle if you are having a line, that line is dividing the other two sides, the two side which is it is touching in same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. We will be proving it, we will be discussing it, but let's see the application. Let's solve few questions which will be related to this theorem. Okay, so let's do it. Just a second. Yes. In figure, we'll be solving question from our book. And first, I'm giving you a basic question and tell me how to go. If AD is equals to x and DB is equals to x minus 2, AE is equals to x plus 2, and EC is equals to x minus 1, find the value of x. Let's do it. If we are having a triangle, okay, if you are having a line which is parallel, this is ABC and this is DT. Okay, this is the complete question. Let's do it by using the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, that in the figure DE is parallel to BC. Okay, if AD is x, this much is x, DB is x minus 2, this much is x minus 2, AE is x plus 2, and EC is x minus 1. Then find x. How can we find x from here? Anyone? Yes. How can we find
We
x
can
from
find x by AD by BD is equals to AE by EC.
exactly? हम ये बोलेंगे क्योंकि DE is parallel to BC, because DE is parallel to BC, then by basic proportionality theorem or by Thales theorem we can write that the ratio this AD by BD must be equals to AE by EC. Yes or no? First confirm everyone is getting it or not. Can we say that? Yes, Aisha has responded. Rest of the student, can we say that?
Yes,
Ayan,
ma'am.
okay. Albina already responded. Ifra, Abdul, can we say that if D is parallel to BC, then this ratio must be same by basic proportionality theorem or by Thales theorem? Can we say that? And if we can say that, then what will be the value of x? Please find it. Are you getting it, Abdul? Ayan, are you getting it? Please find the value of x.
Ma'am, the value of x4.
X is 8. 4, right, Ayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone is getting 4. Are you getting 4? Rest of the student, are you getting 4? We will just compare the ratio. Let's do it over here. We'll be taking x by x minus 2 is equals to AE, that is x plus 2, by EC, that is x minus 1. Now what? Now we have to apply this denominator. We can shift it to another side, and this
Can we
denominator we
apply
can shift.
the cross multiplication method?
Yes. Okay. So we want to remove the denominator. That means we want to shift the denominator x minus 2, which is there on the left hand side. If you will be shifting to the other side, denominator, that means it's in division over here. And that side it will be in multiplication. That means this x minus 2 will go to other side and will sit beside this x plus 2 with multiplication sign, because division becomes multiplications. Similarly, the other side denominator x minus 1, we will be taking it to this side. And again the division becomes multiplications. Now here, of course, we need to do the multiplication of this x with x minus 1. It will be x square minus x. And the other side, does it looks like a plus b, a minus b, in one bracket a plus b, in another bracket a minus b? Does it looks like that? Yes, it does, right? So we can write, what can we write over here? Please tell me.
X square minus 2.
X square minus 2 square, that means x square minus 4 we can write directly. Now if you will see carefully, this x square and this x square is cancelling out each other. Right? Right?
Yes.
Yes. From here we are getting x equals to 4, right? Let's move to the next question. So now, apart from these are the basic questions which you will find in MCQ type of questions. You will be solving this type of question where, like in terms of x it is given, or maybe you are having a triangle and a line which is parallel. It is mentioned in the question. This is given as a 2. This is given as a 3. This is given as a 5, and this one is asking in the question. So these type of question you will find in MCQ part, which you can where you can directly apply basic proportionality theorem and you can solve the equation and you'll be getting whatever is asked over here. Now there comes this type of question which I am taking from our book, that is E and F are points on the side PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR.
Why is this chapter deleted?
Yeah, what? This chapter is deleted.
No, I'm asking, is there any exercise in this in which the it's deleted?
Yes, I think the like in new version only the exercises which we need to discuss, that is there only two exercises are there. I mean two or three in your book. Three
What's this?
exercises are there. The first one is related to just the fill in the blanks and all. Next one is related to this basic proportionality theorem, and next one is related to the concept of similarity. That's it. Okay.
I have 6 exercises in this.
How many exercises you are having, Aisha?
6. One
Six
is
exercises.
optional. Yes.
Okay. So basically we'll be covering, we'll be doing whatever is there in our syllabus. Okay. Let's continue with this question. P is 3.9 centimeter. Okay. EQ is 3 centimeter. So basically here, what we have to do, we have to check whether EF is parallel to QR or not. On the basis of the side given, it is like we have to find whether it is parallel or not. That means if if we will check the ratio, if the ratio is same, then we can say yes, it is parallel by the converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Why I am not showing you today the proof? Because like one theorem we discuss, then another theorem we will discuss. In theorem, one thing happened that we will just get everything get mixed up. That's why today I am not giving you the theorem, but you just know it. That converse of the basic proportionality theorem is, suppose we are having a line which is touching two sides of a triangle and dividing those two sides in equal ratio, then that line must be parallel to the third side. Am I making sense to all of you?
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
If we are having a triangle, if we are having a triangle in which such a line we are having, which is touching two sides of the triangle or intersecting two sides of the triangle, and also dividing this two sides in equal ratio, this line D is dividing this two side AB and AC in equal ratio. AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. Okay, only we know this much for this triangle. Then we can say, that DE must be parallel to BC, and that's what we'll be proving in the converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Getting it? Getting
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay. So the here in this question, let me draw the triangle first. Then only it will make sense to you. Okay, so we are having a triangle. This is structure we are having. So many triangles you can see over. Wait, okay, this is not the figure. This is the figure for the another question. We have to draw the figure by ourselves. Figure is not given. Okay, let's draw it. So E and F are point on the side PQ and PR. We are having a triangle PQR, PQR. Okay, E and F are point on the side PQ and PR. E is on PQ and F is on PR respectively. Okay, for each of the following case state whether EF is parallel to QR. क्या ये जो लाइन EF है ये QR के पैरेलल है, हाँ या ना, हमें ये चेक करना है. ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमें दिया हुआ that PE is this, EQ is this, PF is this and FR is this. अगर हम कैसे भी करके ये प्रूफ कर पाए कि PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR, then we can say that yes, then EF will be parallel to QR. Are you getting it? अगर हम ये शो कर पाए कि जो रेशियो PE by EQ का है इस नंबर्स को यूज करके, ओके, जो रेशियो PE by EQ का है सेम रेशियो हमें मिल रहा है PF by FR का. सेम रेशियो PE by EQ एंड PF by FR दोनों सेम रेशियो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. अगर हम ये शो कर पाए तो हम बोल पाएंगे कि EF must be parallel to QR by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Am I making sense to all of you?
Ma'am,
Yes
I
or
did
no?
not understand. Can you explain?
We are having a triangle PQR. Okay, a line EF is there, and in the question it is given that P is 3.9. It is given that EQ is 3. It is given that PF is 3.6, and it is given that FR is 2.4. And we have to show that we have to prove that EF is perpendicular, EF is parallel to QR. That's what we have to show. So to show that these two lines are parallel, if any way we will be able to show that PE by EQ is same as PF by FR, if we can show this, then we can say that yeah, these two lines will be parallel. If these two ratios are not same, then EF is not parallel to QR. Am I making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
one by one, please tell me. Ayan, you have responded. Aisha, you have responded. Abdul, Ifra, Albina. Am I making sense? That
Yes,
if
ma'am.
any way we can say that PE by EQ and PF by FR, if this ratio is same, then the lines are parallel. If the ratio is not same, then the lines are not parallel. This is our first question in the exercise. Okay, let's do it. Please check it whether the ratios are same or not. Check it out. Please check it whether the ratios are same. PE by EQ. Is it same as PF by FR? I am showing over here that if we are having a decimal number, how to deal with that. ध्यान से देखो हम कैसे रेशियो फाइंड करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे पास डेसिमल नंबर है, होल नंबर है, तो हम फाइनली रेशियो कैसे फाइंड करते हैं यहाँ पे. सो पी बाई ई क्यू है हमारे पास. ओके, 3.9 by 3 वी आर हैविंग. नाउ न्यूमरेटर से डेसिमल रिमूव करने के लिए हमें 10 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना होगा न्यूमरेटर में, राइट राइट. एंड डेनोमिनेटर में कोई डेसिमल ही नहीं है, तो क्योंकि हमें न्यूमरेटर में 10 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना होगा, सेम 10 we are bound to do the multiply in denominator also because we are dealing with the fraction. Fraction says that whatever you are multiplying in the numerator, please do the same in the denominator also. तो डेसिमल को रिमूव करने के लिए न्यूमरेटर में 10 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन वी वांटेड टू मल्टीप्लाई 10, okay, but we are bound to multiply the same 10 in the denominator also, क्योंकि हम fraction से deal कर रहे हैं. Fraction says that whatever you are doing in the numerator, do it with the denominator. Whatever you are doing in the denominator, multiplication or division, do the same in the numerator also. Okay, so we are going to multiply 10 in the numerator, 10 in the denominator. Denominator में one extra zero reflect करेगा, that is completely okay. और न्यूमरेटर से डेसिमल रिमूव हो
Sir,
जाएगा,
it's
ओनली
not equal.
39. इट्स नॉट इक्वल. सिमिलरली यहाँ से रेशियो लेट्स कैंसिल इट आउट. 3 1 टाइम्स 8, 3 3 टाइम्स 9, 3 1 टाइम्स 8, 13/10 हमें रेशियो मिल रहा है फाइनल. सिमिलरली दूसरा वाला रेशियो भी देख लेंगे. पी एफ बाई एफ आर क्या मिल रहा है हमें. सो पी एफ इज 3.6 एंड एफ आर इज 2.4. यहाँ न्यूमरेटर से डेसिमल रिमूव करने के लिए 10 मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड डेनोमिनेटर से भी डेसिमल रिमूव करने के लिए हमें 10 मल्टीप्लाई करना ही पड़ेगा. और न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर में जब तक हम सेम नंबर का मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर रहे हैं तब तक everything is fine. Okay, it will be acceptable. So we can say that we are getting here 36/24 and 4 9 times 36, 4 6 times 24, 3 3 times 9, 3/2 we are getting. और पहले वाले fraction से मिला था 13/10. So it is not equal. We will write it over here that PE by EQ is not equals to PF by FR. Therefore, this line EF is not parallel. EF is not parallel to QR. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear, Abdul, Albina, Ifra?
Yes.
Yes. Similarly, part 2 is also there and part 3 is also there. I am writing it quickly. Same हमारा triangle है PQR, same line है, same line है EF. Okay, I am writing it over here. इस बार हमें दिया गया है कि PE क्या है 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड इस बार हमें दिया गया है QE क्या है 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. सिमिलरली PF इस बार दिया गया है 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड RF is given as 9 सेंटीमीटर. अब बताओ ये जो लाइन EF है ये पैरेलल है या नहीं. हमारे पास सेम ट्रायंगल है PQR and EF is there. Based on this information, please tell me EF is parallel to QR or not. It is parallel. No, not parallel. Yes, okay, it is parallel. Let's check it. हमारा PE by QE क्या रेशियो आ रहा है 4/4.5. अभी अभी मैंने बोला डेसिमल कैसे रिमूव करना है. 10 multiplication is required, so we will be multiplying decimal
Yes,
gone,
teacher.
but the same 10. Okay, 5 8 times 40, 5 9 times 45. 8/9 can also be done. No, it is not done. So 8/9 we are getting and we can see हमें ये दिख भी रहा है कि दूसरे वाले रेशियो से भी 8/9 बनने वाला है. अगर हम PF by RF करें तो हमें 8/9 ही मिलेगा. ये दोनों रेशियो अगर सेम आ गए, PE by QE अगर इक्वल है PF by RF के, then by converse of basic proportionality theorem, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, हमारा ये जो लाइन EF है, it must be parallel to UR. Is it crystal clear to all of you? Okay, let's do the next one. Please check for this one, the third one. PQ is given as a 1.28. Okay. PR is given as a 2.56. PE is given as a 0.18. PF is given. ध्यान से देखना, साइड सारे अरेंज मैनर में नहीं दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। फिर से मैं ट्रायंगल यहाँ ड्रॉ कर देती हूँ। हमारा ट्रायंगल PQR था और ये जो लाइन है हमारा, इसका नेम PF था। हमें यहाँ PQ दिया हुआ है, द कंप्लीट लेंथ, और क्या दिया हुआ है, PR, द कंप्लीट लेंथ, और क्या दिया हुआ है, PE दिया हुआ है 0.18, और क्या दिया हुआ है, PF दिया हुआ है 0.36। तो अगर PE ये कंप्लीट लेंथ हमें दिया हुआ है 1.28, और सिर्फ इतना जो लेंथ है PE ये 0.18 है, तो क्या हम दूसरा लेंथ भी निकाल पा रहे हैं, आया ना? ओके, लेट्स फाइंड इट। 1.28 टोटल लेंथ में से अगर हम 0.18 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे तो हमारा जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो QE होगा, राइट। सिमिलरली यहाँ टोटल लेंथ PR हमें पता है, दैट इज 2.56। अगर हम उसमें से PF हटा दें, 2.56 में से अगर हम PF का जो लेंथ है 0.36 अगर वो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो हमें जो यहाँ पे मिलेगा ये होगा FR, राइट। अब फिर से हम रेशियो चेक करके बता सकते हैं कि हमारा जो ये लाइन EF है ये पैरेलल है QR के या नहीं। लेट्स डू इट। So PE by EQ is equals to 0.18 by 1.10 या फिर 1.1 भी हम लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि डेसिमल के बाद अगर जीरो एक्सट्रीम एंड पे पैटर्न रहता है उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता है, ठीक है। सो 1.10 को 1.1 भी हम लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। अगर 10 भी लिखना चाहो तो चलो लिख सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे मैं समझाना चाह रही हूँ कि अगर 1.1 भी रहे तो भी न्यूमरेटर में डेसिमल रिमूव करने के लिए क्या मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत है, 100। डेनोमिनेटर में डेसिमल रिमूव करने के लिए क्या मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत है, 10। बट फ्रैक्शन का रूल तो कहता है कि न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर में हमेशा सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, अदरवाइज वी विल बी डिस्टर्बिंग द इक्विलिब्रियम। तो हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें न्यूमरेटर और डेनोमिनेटर में, या 100 से, तो जब भी ऐसा सिचुएशन आए हम बड़े वाले नंबर जो लार्जर नंबर है उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर और डेनोमिनेटर, ओके। 110 में से कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें, तो दोनों न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर में 100 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि अगर हमने 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो न्यूमरेटर का डेसिमल तो रिमूव हो ही गया, डेनोमिनेटर में एक एक्स्ट्रा जीरो हमें दिखेगा। एक्स्ट्रा जीरो एक्सेप्टेबल है बट डेसिमल हमें नहीं चाहिए। Am I making sense to all of you?
Ma'am, I got that.
Got the answer also? Is it parallel?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It is parallel. Okay. Yes, Alvina, are you getting it? Alvina, Ifra, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Abdul, are you getting it? Abdul, this two you must